What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today is kind of cover today's recap and go right into tomorrow's game plan. Shout out to everybody that sat back and waited patiently for Fed Powell to get out whatever he had to say and watch the market do what it do. Popped real high and then came back down to reality. Shout out to you guys for staying patient throughout the session today. But hey, before we start, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. First ticker up, we're gonna do it for the newbies and the beginners. We're gonna go ahead and start with Palantir. Guys, it ain't no telling what the market is going to do tomorrow. As you see, we got some data dropping at 8:30, initial jobless claim, and then you got existing homes at 10 o'clock. Both of those could pop the market really high, or it can bring the market back down. Stay patient. Let's see what happens. All right, back to it. Palantir. Guys, Palantir is currently sitting at 36.60 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see this shelf level at 36.75 get taken out. They can start taking out that level right there, then they're going to start booming it up to 37.10 and higher. If you are a bear, you want to see 36.30 get taken out. They can take out that, then you want to see these bottoms over here at 35.90 get taken out. They can take out that, they coming back down. That's Palantir. Let's jump into INTC. They're currently sitting at 20.94. If you are a bull, you want to see 21.10 get taken out. They can take out 21.10. Their next level is sitting at 21.30. They can knock that out. Then they're going to run it up to these tops right here at 21.70. They take out 21.70, they got room to start climbing this ladder all the way back up to this stuff at 22.55. There you have the levels to the upside, to the downside. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 20.75 get taken out. They can take out 20.75. They're going to start running it down to this stuff down in here, right around the $20 even. They're going to slow grind down to that area right there. Ultimately, that's what you want to see. You want to see 2010 get taken out. They take out 2010, we coming down to 1960. And then I got some areas of resistance down here we'll talk about if they get that far. Last but not least, we're going to throw a different one at you guys that we normally don't do. We got SoFi. I had a few different requests for this one. They're currently sitting at 8.18 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 8.25 get taken out. They can start taking out 8.25. You got this shelf level at 8.35, and then boom, they're going to run into 8.50 and try to shoot their shot higher. If you are a bear, you want to see this level at 8.10 get taken out. They take out that level, they coming back down to 8 even, and we'll handle in real time once they start dropping down to those levels. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up for the newbies and beginners. Big ballers, y'all up. Let's go ahead and hit ticker ORCL. They're currently sitting at 165 even. So if you are a bull, what you want to see is 165.45 get taken out. If they can take out that level right there, they're going to run this thing back up to 166.65. They break through that, they're going to try to take their next shot at 167.50 before trying to boom it up to the higher stuff. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right in here where they bottomed out at 164.35. They break that, then they coming back down to 163.75 and then lower. We'll handle that in real time if they get to that point. Next ticker up is Nvidia. We're sitting at 114.10 right now. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 113.30 get taken out. They can take out that. I got a level down at 111.80. They break through that. I got another level sitting down at 110.10, and then we'll start that path back down and see what happens. If you are a bull, you want to see 114.70 get taken out. They can take out that, then we'll start worrying about the higher stuff when they get to that point. 115.50 would be the next level. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. All right. If you are a bull in Tesla, Tesla's currently sitting at 228.70. If you are a bull, you want to see this level right here at 229.40 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. I got another one at 230.80. And then you got this area of resistance, this turbulence up in here. You got a level that they got to get through 231.40. The next one is going to be 231.95. They break through that. Boom. They coming all the way up to 233.95. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right in here at 227.80 get taken out. They can take out that. You got these bottoms right in here, as you see where they bottom at 226.90. They break through that. I got a level down at 225.90, and then we'll start coming down to this stuff, and we'll play that card if it shows itself. Last but not least, we're going to do it with SPY. And as you see, they gave us the little chop, the rundown, and then Fed Pal gave his report out, and boom, they ran that thing up to 568.65. And then what happened? We slowly came down. People were saying, hey, I'm going to get calls. Fresh, should I get calls? No, not yet. Not yet. They coming down. It's another level. Got a couple levels. First, this was my first level I gave out to you guys. As I said, I play futures a lot, and I know we get data drops all the time at 8:30 in the morning. They usually pop the tape really high, and they usually run it all the way back down to where it started. And that's where I knew it was coming back down to that area. And I said, well, hold off before calls because the drop isn't over. They coming back to this area. And what did they do? They came back to that area. They ran it up. And then they came back down, and I said, hold on, it's two more areas of interest that the Bears are going to try to take out before they go to their next level down. If they don't take that level out, they booming it back up top. And you see what happened? I gave a level. I think this was a level I gave at 561. 35 or 30. Look it up, pull the report, see what I called out. You'll see it's almost to the penny. I'm throwing these darts out there to you guys. And then I said my last one was 560.85. I said, if they can break through that right there, because I really wanted to see them smack through that, but I'm playing with it right in this candle right here. I'm trying to set it up to where if it gets back to this number right here, it kicks me out of the play and sell. At least I'll be in profit. I'll be in some good profit before it kicks me out. And I end up selling. I don't know what I did wrong, but it's so good thing it did because it never went through this area right here. That's good. But right here, if they would have broke that area right there, my next level down was 559.10. And that's what I said. I said, if they break 560.85, we're coming back down under 560. Check the charts, check the chats. You'll see exactly what I said. They wasn't able to get through there. So I end up buying I got 20 calls in SPY right now. I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. I normally don't swing. So this might be my lesson about swinging. But I got 20 calls in there right now. I want to see what it does in the morning. If we have favorable data, then we should be all right. They should try to boom this thing back in this area right here. But we'll see. If you are a bull, that's what you want to see. You see this little area right in here where they've been getting smacked at? We've been seeing this all this week. They close. You see where they closed at? They're closing right here in that middle. Remember, I had that level 562.85 and 563.20. They can break through 563.20. We coming back in this stuff up in here tomorrow. But if this area don't hold, hello, we coming back down to 560.85, and then this stuff down in here. It could go either way. We never know. SPY to the moon. If we break through this area right here at 563.20, SPY coming back to the ground if we don't. There you go with those levels right there. Shout out to Manny. Man, we've been studying tweezer tops. People, all you that follow me, we've been following tweezer tops for quite some time, and man, I'm loving it. I'm getting messages every single day. Fresh, is that a tweezer top? Is that a tweezer top? Manny threw it out in the chat. Fresh, is that a tweezer top? And before I could even get to my chart to pay attention to it, he was like, man, that's a tweezer top. I'm jumping in there. And I think he caught that tweezer. Where did he catch that tweezer at? It was one of these candles up in here, and he caught that sucker. And I'm telling you, as soon as I recognized it on the chart, He had already ran that. You get this big boom, boom candle. Boom, boom. And he ran that thing down. Shout out to you from being able to spot that, doing your homework, paying attention, and you finding a profitable setup that you identify with, that you can make money in. I love it. That is super duper dope. That's impressive. I am proud of you. Shout out to everybody else that I'm not mentioning that send me the DM as well about this tweezer tops and about recognizing them as well. I'll catch you in another one. Guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, go ahead and join us in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.